Hello friends, welcome back to Little Chintu channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a very cute paper folder. So let's get into the video. So first I have taken a pink color sheet which has 20 cm in length and 14 cm in breadth. Fold the paper as shown. Now open it and fold like this. Once you're done with the folding, it looks like this. And I have made another one too with the same measurement. So let's keep it aside. Now I have taken a blue color sheet which has 20 centimeters in length and 14 centimeters in breadth. And now I have taken a cardboard with the same measurement but 1 centimeter less in both length and breadth. So I have stuck on the paper. So it looks like this. I have also made another one with the same measurements. Now let's keep it aside. I have taken 6 purple sheets with the same measurements. Now I am taking this pink color one that we did before and I am applying the glue on the corners like this, and I am sticking that cardboard blue color one. Now you should take the other layer and apply some glue. Spread the glue with the help of brush and stick the purple color sheet on it. You need to repeat this process for each and every step in it. So now I am continuing the process. Once you are done with sticking the 5 purple sheets, take the cardboard that we did before and apply some glue on it and stick the 6th purple sheet on it like this. Now stick this in the last step. And we are done with this side. Now we are going to do the same process for other side too. I am repeating the same process. And we are done. This looks like this. And now I am going to take a blue color sheet with the same measurement, that is 20 into 14 centimeters. So now I am placing the one that we did before. Fold the edges of the paper like this. Fold the other edge of the paper like this. Use scale for getting a perfect fold. Now I am making a rough to cut the paper in a shape. Now I am going to stick this. First I am sticking the one edge of the corner like this. And you shouldn't stick the other edge but flip the one that we did and stick it like this. So finally it looks like this. Now I'm using washi tape for some decoration at the back side. I'm taking a cardboard piece with 7 centimeters in length and 2 centimeters in breadth. I'm covering it with a pink color paper. Once you're done, stick this at the bottom of the folder. Apply a little glue and stick it. I have made another one like this, and I'm sticking this in this way. So now I have taken a strip of pink color sheet and I am sticking like this for a little decoration. Let's write something. And I'm using some stickers to decorate it. I usually love stickers, so I'll be using stickers a lot. I don't even leave a single empty space. It is all filled with colorful stickers. So this is how it looks, and these are my oil pastel portraits or drawings, and I'm going to secure this in this file. You can also check my oil pastel portraits or drawings in my channel playlists. So finally we are done. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.